स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? आप सभी कैसे हो? टुडे फॉरवर्डिंग आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, we will discuss concerning the different heads of the unit cell. Which topic? Discuss concerning the different heads of the unit cell. First point, age or age length ABC. Second, interfacial angles alpha, beta, alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta and gamma of the unit cell. Third point, corner of the unit cell. Fourth point, face of the unit cells. Fifth point, face diagonal of the unit cells. And sixth and last point is body diagonal of the unit cell. Body diagonal of the unit cell. Students, next we will focus on first point, what is age or age length ABC of the unit cell. Suppose cube type unit cell. Which type? Cube shaped unit cell. Cube shaped unit cell. Cube shaped unit cell. Students, that cube shaped unit cell here focus on your age length ABC. This side of the unit cell is a age length of A. This side of the unit cell is age length of B of the unit cell, and this side or age length of the C of the unit cell. Here you will be say age length of A, age length of B and age length of C of the unit cell. Second point, interfacial angle of the unit cell. Interfacial angle of the unit cell. Here you will see that is the alpha interfacial angle, and this angle is beta interfacial angle, and here this angle is called as gamma interfacial angle of the unit cell. I hope you're clear what is the edge length ABC and interfacial angle alpha, beta and gamma in the unit cell. Students, we will discuss about next point, corner of the unit cell. Corner of the unit cell. Here you will see this point of the unit cell, this point, this point, this point, and this point, this point, this point, this point. Is known as corner of the unit cell. In lower side, 4 corners, and upper side, next 4 corner. Total number of corners in the unit cell. Total number of the corners in the cubic unit cell is equal to 8. टोटल कितने कॉर्नर हो गए स्टूडेंट्स? हाउ मेनी कॉर्नर्स इन द यूनिट सेल? टोटल 8 कॉर्नर हो गए. हाउ मेनी कॉर्नर्स? 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. I hope you're clear how many corners present in the cubic unit cell. Total how many? 8 corner in the unit cell. Next point, face. What is the face of the unit cell and how many faces belongs to the unit cell? Students, here you will see total 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Total number of faces belongs into the unit cell. How many? 6. This face is known as top faces of the unit cell. Top face. Top face of the unit cell. This face is known as downside face, down side face, downside face of the unit cell. Here is top side, here is top side, top side face of the unit cell, that is top side unit, top side face of the unit cell. Here down side of the unit cell. Students, again you will see that face is called as right side face of the unit cell. Which side? Right side. Right. Right side face of the unit cell. Right side face of the unit cell. Right side face of the unit cell. This face is called as right side face of the unit cell. Students, next is left side of the unit cell. Left side face of the unit cell. Left side face of the unit cell. Next, fifth phase. Next, which phase? Fifth phase. Fifth phase is called as front side face. Front side face of the unit cell. Face of the unit cell. Students, next and last. Face of the unit cell. Back side. Which side? Back side face of the unit cell. Back side back side face of the unit cell of the unit cell. Back side face of the unit cell. I hope you're clear how many faces belongs to the unit cell. Total number of 6 faces belongs to the unit cell. And how many total number of corners belongs into the unit cell? 8 corners. How many corners? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners belongs to the unit cell. And how many faces? Total 6 faces belongs to the unit cell. That is the first face, named as top side face of the unit cell. Second is named as downside face of the unit cell. Third is right side face of the unit cell. Fourth is left side face of the unit cell. And fifth, face is named as front side face of the unit cell. Sixth and last face named as back side face of the unit cell. I hope you're clear what is the edge length ABC, interfacial angle alpha, beta, gamma, corner and face of the unit cell. Next, total how many corners and faces belongs to the unit cell. Students, next we will discuss about fifth point. What is the face diagonal face diagonal of the unit cell. Face diagonal of the unit cell. Face diagonal of the unit cell. Fifth point. Face diagonal, that is the corner of the unit cell. That is the corner. Back side, that is the back side corner of the unit cell. Back side face, that is the back side face corner of the unit cell. Here this corner is the front side face corner of the unit cell. Back side face of the corner of the unit cell. Front side face corner of the unit cell. Here we will tell about what is the face diagonal of the unit cell. Face diagonal. Face diagonal. Students, you consider any one face. Anyone, because we will explain about total number of face 6, but you take any one face. Suppose we will consider right side face of the unit cell. So that is the right side face of the unit cell, and next process you meet any two corner of the face, any two corner. So that line is known as face diagonal of the unit cell. Suppose आप इसको नहीं मिला करके आप फेस के इन दोनों कॉर्नर को आप मिलाते हो, दैट इज द फेस डायगोनल. सपोज करो स्टूडेंट्स आप ये फेस नहीं लेते हो. सपोज करिए यू टेक top side face. So here that process, any two corners meet, that is the face diagonal. Any two. That is the face diagonal. Right side, that is the face diagonal. That is the face diagonal. Downside, that is the face diagonal. That is the face diagonal. Similarly, left side face, that is the face diagonal. That is the face diagonal. So, according to this, how many total number of faces belong to each unit cells? 12, because total face is 6 and each face having 2 diagonals. So 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to total number of face is equal to 12 belongs to each unit cell. Each unit cell. I hope you are clear what is the face diagonal of the unit cell and how many total number of face diagonal belongs to in each unit cell. Students, next point and last point, What is the body diagonal of the unit cell? Here you will see body diagonal students. That front side, sorry, that corner is back side face, that corner is back side face, but here you will see that corner is front side face and that corner is front side face. When you meet one corner of the back side and one corner is front side, that corner is back side and that corner is front side. Next, that corner is front side and that corner is back side. स्टूडेंट्स मीन्स इस सिस्टम से मिलाना है, एक कार्नर कौन सा हो, बैक साइड कार्नर हो, और नेक्स्ट कौन सा हो, फ्रंट साइड फेस कार्नर हो। बैक साइड फेस कार्नर, बैक साइड फेस कार्नर एंड फ्रंट साइड फेस कार्नर। मिक्स कर दो, मिला दो। सपोज करो दूसरा हम ले लेते हैं। आई टेक नेक्स्ट। फ्रंट साइड कार्नर एंड बैक साइड कार्नर, ये आपको ध्यान रखना होगा। फर्स्ट आप फ्रंट साइड फेस कार्नर लेते हो तो नेक्स्ट बैक साइड फेस कार्नर होगा, और जैसे ही उसको मिलाओगे ये जो साइड आपको मिलेगी दैट साइड इज नोन एज ए बॉडी डायगोनल। ये जो साइड मिल रही है दैट इज द बॉडी डायगोनल ऑफ द यूनिट सेल। बट ध्यान रहे कि बॉडी डायगोनल ड्रा करते समय वन कार्नर इज बैक साइड फेस कार्नर एंड नेक्स्ट इज फ्रंट साइड फेस ऑफ द कार्नर को आपको मिक्स करना, मिलाना है। किसको किसको ड्रा करना है? वन कार्नर इज बैक साइड फेस कार्नर and next is front face side corner. When you touch each other or you can say meet to each other, that is known as a body diagonal of the unit cell. That is known as the body diagonal unit cell. Students, you will be see all heads. I hope you're clear. That's all today. Thank you for watching and listening.